Viewers, today latest update from Ethiopia and Tigray clashes. Viewers, the Tigrayan army is strengthened the attack measures by registering a bright victory on Gashina, Warilo, Ati and Mail. The Tigrayan army, who is the hope of the people of Tigray, until enemies are destroyed. The attack on the people of Tigray has strength and is still moving forward with a bright victory on different fronts. According to this as well, number one, in the front of the Shepherd Tigrayan army that is moving forward from Vagaltina is 42 kilometers from downtown for and to support our military journey. The Amhara Special Force Brigade called Minilik and the militia from Gojam and Gondar to be dispersed. The commander of the brigade, named Colonel Lima Tedis, has killed 2,340 enemy soldiers, wounded and wounded. In addition to this, Garbia is moving forward with a great victory and morality by taking over the key place called Garbia properties and special vehicles. And it was number two, the front of the Warilo. The Tigrayan army that is leading the way ahead with victory by controlling Tanta, Ajbar, Ginba and Akista has continued its lightning attack. The militia of Dera and North Showa is being controlled by Akistar front. The areas that are found between peace and peace are being controlled by the killings of Vrilo and Burina, which are gathered from Dera and Semin Shiva to disintegrate the militia with a great victory. The army of the fascist Abiy Ahmed, which has been followed by the army of Tigray, which has taken control of Likhad, Monday Market and Vrilo cities. Also, the Tigrayan army is trying to stop the Gisgasi from Vrilo to Diglo and other forces. And the brave Tigrayan army is continuing to clean up the power. And viewers, number three, the front of Ati, the enemy has formed a weapon and main force elegant to confuse and disperse the Tigrayan army. Although the Tigrayan army is the one who is strong and strong against the enemy by attacking and strengthen its own anti-attack. As usual, Tigrayan army chief Karakoram achieved with great moral and victory by controlling Sabbath and Majid. It is on the way forward. And number four, from Mile front, in this front of the enemy, I have to disrupt the journey of Tigrayan army by putting all the power that the enemy is proud of. I have and the Tigrayan army has been trying to destroy the enemy journey. The Tigrayan army that pays all the way for the safety of Tigray is trying to destroy the enemies. The Tigrayan army is in total. Let us not know that the people of Tigray have given to us on all fronts. As they brought the enemy that is facing all sides with great wisdom and heroism, he is moving forward with shining victories and victory. And viewers, according to the sources, a fight that has been pushed out in the past 2 days between Dessi and the capital of Addis. The army of the Oromia and Tigrayan forces have claimed that the government forces had captured 5 different cities. The war is getting closer to the capital day by day. So this is the latest update about it. For more latest report, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.